unlink the audio from your video, which I've already done that, but basically if you haven't, you just you right click on it and then you just click on unlink, and yeah, that's how you unlink a video. This is how to add sound effects and music. Go here, and as you can tell, I already have music in there, but you basically just go to here, you go to Central Sound, and yeah, you can choose from a music library. And now we're going over how to add text to a video. Wait, what did I just do? Oh no. There is where the text goes. Delete background audio, Control Sounds, Edit, Dialogue, and then you try to find out where the things are. Default. You'd go here. Where default would typically be set to default, but now I'm just gonna set it to default. And then you can, delete whatever background. And whatever. In settings for some cinematic looks in Premiere Pro.
Awesome, looking cool.
I'll give you a little bit of time to look at this stuff.
Yeah, setup's good for it. That's looking nice right there. However, it's these two shots at the end that just needed a little bit of resizing, as you can see right there.
Sorry if you hear background audio. I have my iPad on right next to me, so yeah. I do apologize for it if it is a bit annoying. And now, yeah, that'll do, and bye. Hi guys, and this is how to export a video in Premiere Pro. Basically, after you're done editing, you go to export, and then you click, make sure you set it to whatever you want it to be before that. And then, do this. Click export. And then that'll do for the video. Bye.